Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So for example, let me paint you a picture. You have been away for a few days, maybe on a vacation, maybe just swamped with work. You open Feedly and there is it, a wall of unread articles like this, hundreds of them, thousands even more. Your unread count is so high it's basically just a plus sign. You want to start fresh, you don't want to spend hours scrolling through articles you are never going to read even. You just want to wipe this stage clean and start from today, but how? So you are basically in luck. Feedly has a mark all as read feature that does exactly what it sounds like. It marks every unread article in a feed, folder, or even your entire account as read all at once. So the best part is, it takes less than a second. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to show you different ways to mark articles as read in Feedly, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, mark all as read in a specific feed or folder. This is the most common way to clear unread articles according to Feedly's official documentation. You can mark all articles as read in any feed or folder you are viewing. So basically this is my two folders, as you see here. Add to favorites, see similar feeds, mark as read. It's basically easy. Come to a folder here, long press it, then tap all, mark as read, and then you can do it to the second folder, third folder, and you keep going like this. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.